slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. What a cabooshin today. Welcome, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian. Welcome to my Funded Futures best 2 hours a night. Who's this here? Bold Zangus. How are you? Hey, mate. How are you? DJ Danny Girl, get in there. What's going on, everybody? G Peralta, Beachy, Miss K, Theo, what's Apple, Go Trader, Bear Trader, XD, Bread, Brave Day, Bearded Warrior, Vanessa, get in there. J Dubs, Venu, Trade Arts, Son of Wall Street, Miss Trend Surfer, how are you? KM, Trade Arts, let's go, everybody. Zeus, we got KT is in the house. Steven, what's going on? Lone Wolf, Jeffrey, Sergey, 2 times. There you go. Nathaniel, what's up? Pinker, what's going on? Bear Flag 30-minute what? Bear Flag 30-minute what? Bear Flag on what? NASDAQ? Devon, what's going on? Brave Day, MD, what's going on? ES, me, what's going on? Day Trader 27, get in there. Linda NQ is in the house. Chishoy, Izzy Lizzie, Zorro is here. We have Ethan, Double L. What's going on? The Luke is on fire. Maori, what's going on? Pierre Joseph, how's the baby? And here's the one and only Go Trader. All right, so I'm exhausted already. So I want to guys show this to you here. What's going on, Adam? Adam, long day, right, Adam? From 5 o'clock in the morning till now, Adam? Huh? Blue Lagoon. So I want to show this to you. Okay, so I just did my podcast, all right, and it's all about understanding trading correlations. All right, trading correlation patterns. Okay, if I could type, hold on. Okay, so if you guys can stay with me on this is really super important. Okay, David, what's going on? Yeast, what's going on here? Barbie, Vanessa, get in there. Britt Martin, what's going on? Well, wait, John Wayne is in the house. All right, can everybody see my chart? I want to make sure you can see my chart. Okay, the good, what's going on? The good. Okay, can everybody see my chart? All right, now, one of the things I want to show you, okay, is you can see at 9:45, my 15-minute time frame reversed to sell on my indicator of 4, and it correlated with its 30 and 60-minute time frame, putting it into a negative trend. So then around 11:15, we got this big push up here after the Secretary President decides, to add more liquidity to the marketplace, and then they pushed up, but that was really super fast, 7:14, and then you can see the cabooshin here about 21, 22 points. But this is when the 15-minute time frame really set up here. Now you can see we're in a negative trend, right? Now let me just show you this, right? The NASDAQ futures, okay? You want to talk about correlations? Look at the NASDAQ futures. Reverses to sell at 11:45, okay? Reverses to sell at 11:45. Now, when it reversed to sell, it correlated to sell with its 30 and 60-minute time frame, okay? All right? Now, when you have this big sell reversal like this, right, now not only did it correlate with its 30 and 60-minute to sell, it correlated with what? Anybody know? Drift, anybody? I want to see if they know. Anybody know? Apple, Bear Trader, Does anybody know what it correlated with? Not only with its 30 and 60, that's right, the underlying ETF, right? So if it correlated with its underlying ETF, what do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 15. I literally said, you can ask Baby Goat. He's in the room here, Josh. I said, they're going to get killed. And I said, I'm going to lunch. And Baby Goat said, every time SK leaves, they're going to get killed. I left. NASDAQ dropped 187 points. Okay? Look at this. NASDAQ, 389, kabooshed, 215. Actually, more than that, right? Okay. Whoa. We won the war. Okay? So, and again, this is a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. An absolute kabooshin. Okay? An absolute kabooshin. How long has Baby Goat been in my group? About 6 months, right? Okay. Now, that's one underlying pattern. Look at the ETF, the spiders, reversing to sell on the 30-minute time frame today. Okay. Reverse to sell on the 30-minute. Okay. So now it correlated with its 15 and 60-minute time frame. You had one little bounce here right around the time. Look at it, the push up into the negative MACD, the overbought condition into the negative MACD. But then watch this. When the S&P futures reversed to sell on the continuous contract right here, boom, at 12 o'clock. Remember, the NASDAQ was 11:45. This is 12 o'clock, right? Okay. What do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 15. We were shorting the 77.03 up to 09, got up to 04.5, and look at them drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. Look at that. 35 points on the S&P futures. Okay? So again, this is something that you really need to understand, that when you're trading the markets, you really need to understand you should be looking at the continuous contract with the underlying ETF and the underlying ETF with the continuous contract. Okay? Thank you, Lone Wolf. God bless you. Okay. Hey, everybody here. I'm thinking about doing an event in Vegas. I think I got the dates locked in. I don't know. We're going to talk about this here. I think we're looking at, if I'm not mistaken, October 23rd and 24th. Okay. More info. How's that? How does that dates work? Okay. Okay. October 23rd and 24th in Vegas. All right. Hope you guys, I'd like to meet all of you, really. It'd be really nice if you guys could be there. So, okay. I really think it's going to be a really great time. Open, we're gonna have a nice time. We're gonna meet probably when I land, meet place, have a nice place where we can all meet, have a drink, relax, get some appetizers, meet so many of you, and then the next morning have a nice event where we can, for a couple hours, go to teach, and then I get something to eat, and then teach from maybe 1 to 4, 1 to 5, and then maybe we'll all pick a place where we can have a nice meal somewhere. Okay. Bingo says, okay, SK's leaving, market's gonna get kabooshed, right? He knows it. He knows the drill. Baby Goat. All right. So. All right, that goal was a great short around the 715 above 87, 89. Yeah. So, okay. Can I throw up the 5-minute 115? Sure, no problem. Let me put that up for you. New highs here in the Asia session. We won the war. Okay, here we go. And Q, buckle my shoe. All right. Trade Appaloosa. That's it. Trade Appaloosa 2026. I like that. What's Apple? Let me see. All right. We got the NASDAQ and S&Ps pushing up here. Yeah. If this NASDAQ gets up to the 45 to 75, you could take a scalp short here. Take a push up. Here we go. 42, 43, 44. And we got 40. Nope. Do we got 45? Nope, not yet. Gold getting smoked. Oh, yeah. I can't wait for this gold to break. Boom. Did it hit 45? I don't know if it did.
No.
Nope, 45.25. It did.
Yeah, almost a little bit higher.
Sus Bear, stop driving yourself crazy. Stop driving yourself crazy. All right? There you go. Get in there, Mikey Jacques. All right. Wow. And if you shorted 45, just look to cover below 35 here. Dean Chiswick, how come Mr. Freeze? Mr. Freeze. Kelly, how are you, Kelly? Artak, AT, what's going on? AT. Deuce Leverage, what's going on? Man, I can't wait to meet all of you. Captain Price, Melvin, what's going on, everybody? Nick, Ian said Uncle Steve is the stock boss. That's me. I love to trade them. 2 times, what's going on? Chicken traders in the house. Mr. Freeze, Bible with Bell, JT, what's going on? Tony Gold, now we can get going. Candle Jenner, what's going on, everybody? We have NASDAQ just dropped a quick 20 here. Wolf, anybody new here? Anybody new? I see Wolf is new. Mr. Thomas, how are you? Kelly Nashby, nice to meet you. Mr. Freeze, call me the Freeze. I keep blowing down the road. I'm doing good, Cheesy Pepperoni. Reverend, how are you? Is it Reverend? Yep. All right, Jaw 111, KT Zeus is here. Lone Wolf, Wolf MNQ. Boy, it's brutal. I can't wait for this month of August to be over. Last Asia session of the week. Yep.
Cancel the rest.
Yeah, I never got. I mean, I like to start like the first one 45, at least get in, and then do 2 at 55, or do maybe 2 at 58. You know what I'm saying? Try to at least get involved. Sometimes I only got 1 entry.
Yeah. Okay.
You know?
So if the rest, if it just goes down, then typically cancel
Yeah,
the rest.
you never leave orders out.
Yeah. Okay.
If it drops 15, 20, you got. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but I mean,
that's the move.
or yeah, I mean, but if you're going to trade 100 micros, you do 5, 10, then 20. Then it's worth something.
Yeah.
But you also can get cabooshed. Oh, yeah. Oof. All right. I'm kind of bullish on this gold here. if these 15s turn up, but let's just wait. Let me see if we get, it's so freaking slow here. Hey, Jake, how are you? Can you explain what we're looking at? Thank you, baby goat. Breaking Trump dead at 78. Okay, you got to be banned. You can't do that. Come on. Is that come on. Really? You can't do that, man. That's not cool. That's not nice, man. Breaking Trump dead unless. Hello from India. That's not really funny, though. Okanara. Okay, that's not really nice to write that. Aaron, can you take care of this, please, Aaron? That's not right. Okay, breaking Trump dead at 78. Come on, that's not right. I don't want this here. This is not what is this? Go play somewhere. Go play somewhere else. This is insane. Why would you somebody dead? I mean, come on, man. This is why I love to trade. Just unbelievable. How do you sign up for the raffle? You got to put your name in here. Aaron, are you there? Aaron? If the NASDAQ gets up to 60 to even, I'd short it. Where's the Sarge? Michael. He banned him. I mean, why would anybody make a... I don't know why anybody would talk like that, man, really. I don't look at the VIX trade with Steven. I don't. I don't look at that at all. Okay, I don't look at that. I don't look at the VIX. Right, people are crazy, right? I mean, what the heck, man? Well, now they call me the breeze. GB, what's going on? What is Trade EZ? That used to be my old company. So basically, I use certain indicators here. If you sold, let's see. So basically, I look at price action leads, indicators lag. Okay, but indicators will paint the picture for me, and I know exactly what to do once the picture is painted. Okay, so these indicators I teach during my course, and we're very, very, very profitable based upon the methodology using 3 time frames, 5 conditions. The conditions are all based upon my indicator 4. So right now, I just got a buy reversal here, which means it's probably, I would say, a good 80% chance that the lows here are in for the Asia session. Okay, believe it or not. And then look to cover shorts here between the 40 and 55 range here on the NASDAQ. Hey, Suzanne Farley, you never texted me last night. How are you? Alex, what's going on? And right now you have a negative trend here on in the index futures on the S&P, and that was a nice short. Look at them drop. You short?
Yeah.
There you go. See that? You see that? Okay.
I'm just trying to figure things out here.
Okay. All right. Okay. There you go, Kelly. Suzanne, Kelly, you guys, if you're new, you could text me. Okay. Monkey Secret. What a short. Quick little short there. Now, you know, you don't have to. How many micros can you trade at one time on the big account?
I don't know, 100, 120.
Okay, you don't have to do 1144. Now you can go one, you can go two.
Discipline.
No, right. You don't go sell 50 at one shot. Like you hit the Powerball and you don't have no regard. You're crazy. You're absolutely out of your. I don't care where the hell you're from. Colored Craft Vibes, how are you? Okay. What a cabooshin. Where's the bear? God, I love this bear. Love when they go down. Damn. All right. Oh, now they call me the breeze. Gold cabooshed. I know. I keep blowing down the road. Do. Oh my God, NASDAQ. What idiot paid 60? What are you, crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
There you go. Hey, bud. Mudu, what's going on? Saya, day trader, get in there. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. So I got a new website coming out. Oh, everybody, welcome. Dalil, 420. What's up? Mos Def. Hey, Mos Def. What's going on, Mos Def? Mos Def, weren't you supposed to talk to me about doing something in Singapore? I guess not. Who knows? Oh. Wait for the fives to get oversold and go long. Maybe. I'll see. Oh, now they call me the breeze. We have a flat bottom 306. What's the website about? I have a website. I have my own company called sktrading.live. And so we're going to be revamping the whole website and new technology and new everything here. So, yep, really excited about it. You guys see the stuff we're working on and going to be released to everybody. All right. What happened to Husk? Husk Williams, what happened? Give me all your loving. Got to do. Uncle Husk is in the house. There you go, Uncle Husk. I should have bought that gold. Bitcoin, kaboom. What how many people are trading Bitcoin? I mean, 73,000. I mean, come on, man. You got to start trading Bitcoin futures here. I mean, beautiful. Look at this long 73,000. Boom, 600 points. Look at the 30-minute. Look at the 60-minute time frames today. Look at this beautiful bull flag on the 60 right here, 71,100. Okay, why are you guys not trading Bitcoin futures? I know you're not trading Bitcoin, but you guys should. Look at it. M. Patterson, what's up, Mark? I said NASDAQ was a short. Right. Get in there, Jennifer. Give me all your loving. Anybody want to trade Bitcoin tonight? Well, the NASDAQ S&Ps just got up to 72.5. I think it was a pretty good short there. Let's see the distance from the 10 bar here. Oh my God. Oh, 7,000 points from the 10 bar. This is going to pull in here. Yes, I think you can trade Bitcoin futures. Okay. I'd short Bitcoin above 800 though, not here. Where are you short Bitcoin? What price? I get up every morning. Look at this. I tried to short this morning. 1390. Look at this high. 1370. Apple. I tried to short Apple. 120 and a half. The high. Apple. 120.28. Oh, what a day. I got to tell you, I get more upset with missing trades, okay, than actually than losing money on a trade. You know that? That's true. You know that? I am using, you don't have to be sorry. I'm using TradeStation, yes, for my charts, not for execution. What did they just get down to on the NASDAQ? Should have taken that long here. 60. Hello here. 21. Just ran 20. All right, let's see if we can get one more push down here. All right, gold. If this gold gets down, I want to see if this gold can drop here. Hey, Franco, how are you? What about gold, sir? I'm looking to buy it on another push down. What wild deuces? Why? What happened? Wild deuces. Hey, for keeps, Michael and Q, how are you? I only went once on from 10:30 to 11:30 on MyFundedFutures TV. Well, now New York and Asia. Okay. The strategy I would, well, right now you're in a buy reversal, sell disconnect, so you could potentially take longs. So I want to wait till if the fives get oversold to take the long against the 15-minute time frame. So we'll watch it. Bitcoin, who's short Bitcoin here? Who's short? All right, if the NASDAQ gets down to the, I would say 290 to 320, you may want to take, let me see, you can maybe go, hold on, 290, 295 to, actually 290 to 315. Let's see if that happens here. Yeah. How's everybody doing tonight? Buy gold around the 460. I don't know if it's going to get that low. We'll see. You're going long to 400. Okie dokie. Dirty and Blue Sky, what's going on? Digi. Well, just missed it anyway. Then you could probably short this Bitcoin 73,800 to 74,100. Might be a nice little short. All right, that gold just rallied 5. Yeah, but you got to wait on the gold. Okay, we'll see. What's going on, Digital? I don't know. I wanted to call that long down there. Damn it on my gold. I saw the 15s and the 30s. Yeah. I think the low was what, 71.5 on the gold here. Right here. 71. Damn it, just ran 6. Okay. Jeez, look at them. I was going to take that long. All right. There we go. What happened? SK, are you a fan of trading EU futures? I just trade the standard lots when I used to trade. All right. Lord, we got such a mess. You see, though, the one of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Oh, yeah. Take me home, show me the way to do. And I'm in here now. And have a sip of champagne. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? Couldn't you say, little girl, gonna do the same? Back at the hotel, Lord, we got such a mess.
There you go. There you go, that low, yeah.
I know, don't worry. One of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Oh, yeah. What do I call, 15 or 20?
No, 15.
Did they get there?
No, it went to 15.5. I looked.
Oh, my God.
I know. It's sitting right there. I got 2.
All right, no problem. Next. No, I got 15. Look. Look at the big. Look.
But they didn't pick it up. I have it.
Anybody get long the 15? Damn, order didn't get filled. Okay, no worries.
Yeah.
All right, you could probably cancel it. Boom, gold cabooshed. Yes, 2-time.
It's going down now.
No, cancel it. I'm gonna wait till it goes low. Gold's going down, so maybe the Nasdaq. S&Ps are making new session lows here. Okay, no worries. Next, cancel it. One of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Oh, yeah.
We still have some room on a 5-minute go down on this, right? What it looks like.
I think it's going to go to 306, like Kelly thinks. We'll just be patient. Hey, reading numbers, how are you? Next! I was cutting a rug in at a place called The Jug with a girl named Linda Lou. When in walked a man with a gun in his hand, looking for you-know-who. He said, hey there, fella with your hair colored yellow, what you trying to prove? And that's my woman there, and I'm a man who cares. This might be all for you. I say, excuse me. Won't you give me 3 steps? Give me 3 steps, mister. Give me 3 steps towards the door. Give me 3 steps. Give me 3 steps, mister. And you'll never see me no more. All right, let's raise it again. Let's do this here. Let's go 90 to 20 on the NASDAQ.
Long?
Yep. Yeah, 20 down to 90. I see these fives may want to turn up. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Just ran 15. Look at that.
Yeah.
Where's Henny? Henny's home. He's mad. He's mad at his father. I was fear. Gold. You could buy this gold. Look to buy this gold anywhere between the 64 and a half, 71 and a half. Freaking NASDAQ. I had it 15. Don't believe it. You need a good bounce to load up.
Cancel.
Yeah, guy. No. You can leave it. Point that gun at me. Oh, wait a minute, mister. I didn't even kiss her. Don't want no trouble with you. And I know you don't owe me, but I wish you would let me ask one favor from you. What's going on, TG? There you go. There you go, James Dean. Get in there. Get in there. I was fearing. Okay, look at this gold. Bitcoin, I'd cover below the 770 here. Oh, come on. Oh, wait a minute, mister. I didn't even kiss her. Don't want no problem with you. Don't want no trouble with you. And I know you don't owe me, but I wish you'd let me. Oh, come on. Up 20. Bitcoin just got kabooshed. You love the gold? DJ Danny Girl, get in there. Catnip. Jesus. Ask some favor from you. I would cancel the buy range there. Gold headed to the border. What am I thinking for the PM? I think it's going to be really quiet here. You got options expiration tomorrow. So I think the big number here on the NASDAQ, and we're not far away from it, to be honest with you. If you look at this number here, you got a big number, 28,131. You get the weekly to reverse to sell. The market's going to be in trouble, in my opinion. Then we're going, I think, down to 27. Look at this Bitcoin drop. Would I become a singer? I don't know. Let's see here. All right. Hey, Linda NQ. Oh, hey, Artan. You think it's going to 300? I think it's so. I think it's so. When happened giveaway? Oh my God, the demand for that T-shirt is gonna, I think, could break a world record. I really mean it.
I think when I first heard that from you about 2 weeks ago, and stuck in your head since then.
No, it happened. Somebody actually asked me, when happened
I know,
giveaway?
because I was watching that Discord at home at the time.
Yeah. So far, I think it's a world record. More than the Kaboom and the Kaboosh T-shirt. Why do you want to stop saying it? You got to have a little fun here. All right? You got to have a little fun. Hey, out, Lama. When happened NASDAQ? See? All right, we'll change it up. Oh, come on. Oh, God, I'm telling you, I don't even know if I can keep up with the order, to be honest with you. I really can't. How much you up tonight? How much you up, 100?
No, $25. It was just one.
Oh, look at a rally. Jesus Christ. 15 up to 50.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful little 5-minute bull flag. But what's my favorite ice cream? Chocolate mint. Haagen-Dazs. SK Isaac, how are you? So I would get a double scoop, butter pecan and chocolate mint. Frank Franco, you got the long down there? Let's go, Artan. Nice little 5-minute chocolate mint. I love my chocolate mint. And then it would go like this. It would go chocolate mint, right? Butter pecan, and then Rocky Road. Damn. Right? Baba got his coffee money. He's got his $1,700 Starbucks in Rodeo Drive in the silver coffee mug or a gold-plated coffee mug. Get in there, Artan. Right? Hey, Ed Nolan, how are you? Miss K, what's going on? Melvin? $40 trillion. We hit $40 trillion debt today. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Baba Trading NQ? Well, tell him, why is ice cream in Michigan and Minnesota the best? First of all, 2 places that I would never go to because it's too cold. Something in the cows there? I don't know about that. Hey, Double K. Funky Poo, what's going on? Man, it's slow. You're right, right? The bubble will soon caboose the market. That's true. I believe that. But we shall see. Catalysm, what's going on? Did Mendoza play tonight for the Raiders? Mendoza? Did he play tonight? I think they're going to get cabooshed here. Okay. Who likes, anybody know of Carvel ice cream, the soft ice cream? What's better, Carvel ice cream or Haagen-Dazs? Not Haagen, Baskin Robbins. Anybody know the difference? Right? Did Did you trade options, sir? I've traded options, yeah, but I don't trade no more. No way. It's a little bear flag. I should have taken the short here. Let's see the S&Ps here. They're acting that good here. Oh man, they just got cabooshed. Nasdaq just dropped.
You wouldn't try another long if it goes to
No,
20?
I think they're gonna roll over. Not now, no. Let's see here. We'll just get up to 69. Just ran 3.
Why? Because it's been hanging up there too long?
Yeah, just I want to see the 5 get deeply oversold, if anything.
Okay. Oh, for a nice, maybe start for a long.
Baskin Robbins peanut butter and chocolate is the bomb. Friendlies. I think Carvel literally only has cake and copycat stuff. I don't know. The soft ice cream is good. I think I used to love until I couldn't take it no more. Vanilla shakes. I don't like mango. I like my chocolate mint ice cream. My daughter loves it too. You're a recovering ice cream addict? Wow. All right, ready? Banana cream pie or chocolate cream pie? What's better, banana cream pie or chocolate cream pie? Is a scalp on the gold? I'd be buying the gold here. I said 61.5 to 68.5. Steve, check out the Talente mint chocolate chip. Guys, who makes that? Banana cream pie or chocolate cream pie? Coconut cream pie. I got to go with chocolate cream pie.
Range for gold 61.5 to what?
68.5. I already had called it though before.
Yeah.
I was just reiterating it. Fudgy the Whale. Oh my God. What's up, my brother Scott from the great state of Nevada? Right? Now you're waiting for pie? All right, there goes the gold. 71 up to 75. This S&Ps are having problems here. If this Nasdaq gets back up to the 65 to even, I'd look to short it. Pistachio? Banana split with 3 ice creams. Are you crazy? It's 14,000 calories. What are you, out of your bird? I'll be in the hospital. Oh, Mikey Jacques. He just put the knife in my heart just now. Apple pie, hot apple pie with vanilla ice cream. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I can't do it no more. I'll have that on my deathbed. I'm going to have all the things laid out for me. Oh, my God. Coffee Oreos also good? Rolo ice cream, never heard of it. I got to go with chocolate cream pie or banana cream pie. As much as I love banana cream pie. What is this? Pie, apple pie, vanilla ice cream with a slice of cheddar cheese. You just ruined the whole damn cake. Oh, my God. Artan, get in there. Help me out, Artan. Who puts freaking cheddar cheese on a freaking dessert? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Oh, my God. Hot apple pie.
Strawberry rhubarb.
With vanilla ice cream. Just after that, just shoot me. Okay? Just shoot me. What the hell is Pazuki? All right. Whoever puts cheddar on that type of combination, do I ever sleep? No. Put him in the bathroom. That's it. He goes in the bathroom. He goes in the bathroom. Oh, my Henny was mad tonight. I left him. Ugh. Arton doesn't eat ice cream. Arton's got a 6-pack. That's what I got to get down to, a 6-pack. I used to have it. You can't put cheese on a pie. Are you crazy? Ugh. I can't even talk about that. I can see Arton at night getting a big bowl of, his chocolate ice cream and eating it there and not gaining a pound. No, I'm not kidding. We got nothing else to do. Might talk about ice cream. Right? Nothing else. Oh, congratulations. You got puppies? What kind of dog? What kind of dog? I don't eat ice cream either, believe it or not. So my daughter calls me up a couple of nights ago and says, Dad, we're going to go get ice cream. Do you want ice cream? I says, no, but, he has $50. Go get ice cream. $50. She was 20 short. I said, what happened? She said, Dad, each scoop, one scoop was $9. The second scoop is $3. I said, what? $12 for 2 scoops of ice cream? I used to pay $2 for 2 scoops. And they tell you there's no inflation. Are these people crazy? Yep. Yes, I buy gold here, even to 67.5. Can you believe it? $12, 25 cents a scoop. I said to her, we went to dinner. She said, Dad, we're going to go over here and get some ice cream. So I took out my $50 bill and I gave it to her, her fiance, my son, and another friend. And I said to her, Allie, just keep the change. When she came back, she goes, Daddy, it was $20 more. I go, what? Yeah, it was like $68. I gave her another 20. I said, how much is an ice cream, Alexandra? And she says to me, Dad, I had 1 scoop or another scoop. It was 2 scoops. There was $12 or $13. Ryan got a shake. That was $16. Steven got a shake. That was $16. And this other person or 2 other people got 2 scoops or whatever. I'm like, what the heck? What the hell is that? If this NASDAQ gets up to 60 to even, I'd short it.
All right.
You like ice cream, Sarge?
Yeah, not really. I'm not a big ice cream guy.
Oh, rice pudding. Oh, my God. Now you're talking.
I don't like sweets too much.
Iceflation. That's a good one. You should trade that. You should trademark that. And the Federal Reserve, we have no inflation.
All right, we got 233.
233. That's it.
Yep.
Let's. Is there? What's the first number? 233. What's the first number?
2.
Okay, number 2. Let's reward that person.
Unknown 999.
Unknown 999. See, I'm gonna reward you for being the first one. Oh, I don't like that cookies and cream. Ugh. Unknown. Is he here? It looks like he's here. Congratulations. All right. Let's go number 93. Number 93.
Kyle D.
Kyle D is in the house. Hey, Paul Wallace. How are you? Oh, creme brulee. Oh, another one. I can't sleep tonight. Creme brulee.
I ain't trying to get diabetes.
Yeah, they're trying to get me fat. Rice pudding.
Yep, he's here. Next.
Number 100 and 124.
Joshua R 9776.
Joshua, are you here? Joshua? You short at 60?
No, I still had an order out from 65 from below. Just said.
All right. Just leave it if he gets up there. Joshua, he's here. Is that no? Nope. Is Joshua here?
Yeah, I don't
Bean?
see him.
Oh, come on. Look at this NASDAQ drop. Hit 60. There goes the gold right back up. Next!
All right, next.
Number 100.
Oh, there he is.
What happened?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, God. You're lucky I didn't call that number. Oof.
All right, back to you.
All right, thank you. Man, Joshua, you just made it, brother. Okay? You just made it. Okay? Whew. I'm telling you, you would have been in the bathroom. That's it. Look at this NASDAQ drop. Oh, my God. What did they? All right, cancel the short. It happens.
Yeah.
It happens. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. Oh, my God, 62. Where was I, 65? Like an idiot? Should have went 60. Jesus. How do you participate? Aaron sends a link and you sign up. Okay? Christopher Helton, how are you? WizBuzz, Builder Arjun, JL, Linda NQ. I got that from 60. Good job, KT. Oh my God, 30 off the highs. Come on. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. GB, what am I doing? WizBuzz, everybody welcome WizBuzz. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a short. Oh, they're finished.
Yeah, the 15s are rolling over, the 5s are rolling over.
Yeah, they're going to get kabooshed. Jesus, 40 points down. All right, gotta be patient.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
It's at least you was able to see it the right way. Oh, this morning? WizBuzz, if you need any help with anything, please text me 914-500-7484. I should have just left this up. That was a nice bear flag here. 2 nice bear flags here. 1 and 1 here. All right. Oh boy. Thank you. Will gold push back up? I think gold's going to get one more push up here off the 15s and 30s. Yes. Talento is gelato, richer, creamier. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Scott, how you feeling, good buddy? You okay? So I think I have a date set, October 23rd and 24th in Vegas. How's that sound? I hope I'm gonna really pushing this. I think this could be a really great event in Vegas, October 23rd and 24th. Again, I'm just trying to pick a date I think could be really great for all of you. This is so slow.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes.
This is brutal. Give it on you. No way. You moving to Sarasota on October 15th? I live in Jupiter, Florida. You're only about, I'd say, about 3 hours away. We got one of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Oh, yeah. Pick me up and show me the way to do. Come on here, girl, and have a drink of champagne. Tony Gold, let's go. Get in there, Tony Gold. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? Do. You want to buy the gold? You want to buy the Nasdaq here again? You can go 180 to 220. I'm sorry, 280 to 320. You want to scalp it? There goes the gold right back up. There goes the gold. You long the gold?
No, I just looked at Nasdaq. You were talking about Nasdaq.
Yeah, but you should have 2 DOMs up. Remember we talked about?
Yeah.
You can't do that?
No, I can't.
Oh.
Not in this layout.
Oh my God. Who got the gold? It's not a long. It is a long. What do you mean it's not a long? It just ran 4 handles. Why is it not a long? I'm not saying you can't go short later on. I'm looking to short this. Listen, you make $4 to $5 on a gold trade in a market like this. You thank the good Lord. You go like this, right? Thank you, God.
Everything's short at 40. Is that what you call?
What?
Nasdaq short.
No, long.
Long. Okay.
I called it long. 280 to 320 if it gets down there. That's it. You got the gold short. Good job. Okay. Scalp it. Oh my God, look at the gold. Whoa, whoa, Nelly. There it goes. So far looks like the best trade of the day. Right? You're long NASDAQ where? It's got to be below 20, not here. Get in there, Jennifer. I see now. One of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. You faded the gold? Be careful. Huh?
320 coming up.
I know. Be careful, Captain Price. What indicator you use? I have my own combination of other things. You got to wait for NASDAQ to get a little higher. What's your name? 283.20. You got it. What do you want to do? Take a $4 range in the NASDAQ? Here, then lower it. Go 290 to 310. If you aren't, well, it's too late now. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? I do not use VWAP. You stick to what you know? Okay. There you go. Just scalp the NASDAQ 25 up to 35. When there's too much volume, you're short covering. Okay, Captain Price. You see, the one of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. I want to see you again. Do, 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 do. What did gold get up to? How could you miss it? Jay Sullivan, how'd you miss the 29,360 short? Shouldn't you say, little girl, won't you do the same? Who's going to drive you home tonight? Who's going to drive you home tonight? That one? All right. I can't believe that the NASDAQ got up to 62, for Christ. All right. I'd like to see if this gold can get up to 73, 74, 75. You long?
No.
Fine.
Yeah, yes, I am long.
Oh.
Try to get out this.
Is NASDAQ bullish? And to be honest with you, NASDAQ, you can scale these out here, 14 up to 20. You know, we need 300 likes here. Do you trade CFDs? No. If I trade the dollar. If I used to trade the dollar yen, the pound dollar, and the euro dollar in size. How do I'm doing this 45 years. I can do this in my sleep. Mary, hi, can you write your number on WhatsApp? Did you text me? I don't have anything here, Mary. I knew they were going to push down. I want to see you again. Do, 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 do. What's your name? Yes, on Instagram?
All right, down 200 now. Average 309.
Okay.
We had two more small ones. Okay, close it.
No. It's in the range.
It's about to hit my stop loss.
No, the range, if you didn't, first of all,
Well, hopefully you'll take it right now. Come on.
get out at 09.
It's right there. Take it. Take it.
It's just,
I have an order right there sitting.
It hit
right
09.
There we go.
you should be flat. Okay,
Oh my
you made a
God.
big mistake.
How?
When I said to sell them 14 to 20, when they traded up to 16, 17, you should have sold them. It did. I watched every tick.
Well, I.
No, I'm just saying,
Yeah, I
when
had
it
a
got
low
down
range.
to 02, and when it pushed up, I said, let's get out 14 to 20.
Yeah.
It got up to 1675, 17,
And you did
1675.
say that. I know
And
you
I
did
said
say
I
that.
would be getting out,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So that
You
means
did.
out. Okay, that means out. Okay, and first of all, if the range was 920,
320
20.
to 280.
Well, I lowered it actually. I went. I think I went 90. I went 90. I went 30. Right, and then you said I'm going to stop out. You can stop out on the lows, right? You got it. You got to give it a range.
Yeah, and then that's and.
But you said I'm about to. You said to me, should I close it? I said no. Wait, and then rallied. Right? Okay. You either die by the range or you don't play the range. Right? I'd be scaling out here between 10 and 20 if you're long. Take care. Good job. I did. Yeah, that's right. I lowered it. I went 310 to 280. He's right. And then when it gets down right here, he's right. I did change it. When it was 320, and then I said, okay, let's lower it 280 to 310. No big deal. I'm not bullish at all, but I'd be scaling out of longs up here. Good job, Blessing. There you go. Out. See? No reason to panic.
Mm-hmm.
When you say, oh, should I kick him out at night? You cannot trade looking at a P&L. Okay? If you trade looking at a P&L, might as well close the laptop. Right? I never trade off a P&L.
Yeah,
I trade based upon what I know.
I have it hidden.
What I know. There was no way with that positive MACD on the 15. You got to look when I'm pointing. Okay? The positive MACD on the 15 making new lows that it wasn't going to bounce. And that's why I don't short the gold when the 15s and the 30s are turning up in a buy disconnect. Okay? I called a long on the gold. Some people wanted to fade the gold. Not me. I think the gold's going higher. Okay? Off the 15s and 30s. Okay? Capiche? Okay? You never trade off a P and L. Period. He goes, this is what you said. I'm down 200. Should I kick him out here? I said, no. Right?
Yeah.
Okay? That's how confident I am. Right? It's not because I'm
trying to be proactive.
That's okay, but the
controlling.
range was 310 to 280.
Yeah.
At 90 wasn't the stop. Your stop would have been 68 or 70. Right?
Okay.
You can't when I trade AMD or when I trade Micron, do you think I'm that good? There's sometimes I hit top tick and then boom, it drops $6. Okay. Captain Price, I hope you're not short the gold. Get in there, Luke. It just rallied. What are you talking about? It just rallied $10, $12 gold. Now, if you want to take a scalp short on the NASDAQ against the negative MACD on the 35, where am I here? 30, you can go 30 up to 65. Okay? If you want to take a scalp, this is a bear flag. All right? And of course, it just gets kabooshed.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Mhm.
Because I want to look at the gold really quick. Okay? Get in there, Baba. You understand what I'm saying? You never trade off a P&L. Right? There are days I'm down 10, 15, 25,000 in Sandisk or Micron or this crazy AMD. You think I'm going to trade off a P&L like that? Get in there. Get in there, Artan. Look at the gold just rallied 14. Okay? Look at this Bitcoin, 74,000. NASDAQ, baby. Oh my God, 80. I hope nobody's short the gold. The bean. You see now, one of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Captain Price, you said you were fading the gold. I'm just hoping you're not short, Baba. Okay? I hope you're not short. NASDAQ, right? So if you look at the NASDAQ, look at the positive MACD on the 15 over here.
Yeah, I got it here.
Okay, look at the positive MACD on the 30,
Yeah.
right? It was a sling board,
It was
right?
What?
What?
It was a what?
Like a trampoline, doink, boink.
Yeah.
So you're making new lows, non-confirmation. I already knew it. And then you see how fast I responded? So I care about, no. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Have faith. When I'm shorting Micron, let's say I go 500 here, 1,000 here, 2,000 here, right? Look at the NASDAQ, just rally 60 handles. We won the war. Get in there, Baba. You want to take a scalp short on the gold, 82.5, 3 up to even, 90. Okay. What was your name, little girl? What's your name? Do. So anyway, what I was calling the long here, when I was just showing Luke here, if you look at the NASDAQ, you made new lows here during the Asia session right here. You can see how the MACD didn't confirm here. And if you look at the 30-minute time frame, you can see the MACD did not confirm the low, right? Take care, Ratan. You see that? Okay, everybody? Do you see how the non-confirmation did not confirm the low? Anybody? Come in Manila. Oh my God, Bitcoin just ripped 1,000 points. What the heck? Something just came out. Look at this Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Steven, what the hell just came out? $74,850. Anybody short the gold up there? It just happened, Bitcoin. Me here, I wanna see you again. Do. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? Do. 60-minute MACD is not crossing up. On the MACD? I don't know. That was a nice long. That was a nice long, okay, on the gold. That was a Picasso on the NASDAQ. What else you want? Ready to roll. Do. I got 600 miles and waiting to one more show. Oh, yeah. Cover the NASDAQ here between the 30 and 40 if you're short. Tina, are you here? Is Tina here? Where's Tina? What a rally on the NASDAQ. 67 on the gold, 67 to 82. I'll take it. And if you want to take a scalp short here, 83, probably up to 90. Pull over, Tina. I got one of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Take me on, show me way to do. I'm gonna here next year. I wanna see you again. Do. What's your cover the gold here anywhere between the 78 and 82 range if you're short. What's your name? It doesn't matter. Tina, pull over and get in there. That's a t-shirt, actually. $4,700 in 10 seconds. Let's go. Get it. Oh, yes, baby. Drop on his bear flag on the NASDAQ. You short?
No.
What happened?
What happened? Nothing happened. I'm trying to rearrange things. I'm struggling on this small screen. I'm struggling.
I told you last night, I got a screen. I got 1,900 screens in here. Pick a screen. Look at this short. Oh my God. What a short. I used to know how to play the guitar. I haven't practiced in a while. That's a caboose. Tina, tell me you got the short on the NASDAQ. It's not capuche. Okay. True. I love you. You're going in the bathroom. Caboose. You got to replace the P with a B. Oh, yeah. I can't take it. You can't do it. Put him in the bathroom. I want to see you again. Do. Gold's up almost 17 here. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? Why'd you cover at 38? I have no idea. You can't do single lot entries. What's your name, little girl? What's your name? I don't know. I'd be covered. Well, the fives can roll over. Well, back at the hotel, Lord, we got such a mess. Do. We have one of the crew had to go with the one of the guests. Oh, yeah. Look to cover this gold anywhere between the 79 and 80 if you're short. Do. All right. If this gold gets up to, net gold, NASDAQ gets up to the 60, man, that was a beautiful long, man.
It was. NASDAQ gets up to what?
I'm thinking NASDAQ's going to get up to 68, maybe a short. Well, it's 8 o'clock in Boise, Idaho. Do, 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 do. I got a limo driver, miss, to take me to the show. And Dawn made a long time, made her plans tonight. I'll find a little queenie, and I know treat her right. Do, 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 do. What's the high there? Oh, yeah. Look at this big
66.
No, 56 was the high just now.
66, no?
Just now? Never got there.
No, the high.
No. Just now, 56. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Bro Trader, thank you. You're still long NASDAQ? I'd short this NASDAQ up there. I don't know. And again, how many of you here are new? And if you're new, anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and your email, and I will send out a 5-day free trial to my live Discord from 8:30 to 4, Monday through Friday. You could text me your full name and email to my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Captain Price, stop trying to figure it out. You'll go crazy. Or I'll come pick you up and I'll send you right to Bellevue. You can't. All right? You have to just trade what you see, period. Right? Okay? And how many people are interested if I hold an event in Vegas? Okay? Hunting pips. Exactly. Don't think. When you think, you stink. Okay, I would add some more up there. I think, well, you can't do single lot entries. I probably would sell more at 87 and 87.4. All right. Let's go, Christopher. Let's go to Vegas. Yep, I'm ready. October 24th and 25th, that Friday and Saturday. I'm really psyched. Treat her right. Do. What's your name, little girl? Look at the 30-minute time frames on the gold. I said this is why I was bullish on the gold with the 15s and 30, Captain Price, right here. I would right here. You see the 30-minute time frames? Let's look the 30s here in the positive trend. Look at the 60s, bullish in the buy disconnect, right? You see that? The 60s right here, the 30s, beautiful. Well, it's 8 o'clock in, it's 8 o'clock in Boise, Idaho, do. I have a limo driver, to take me to the show. Oh, this gold. 86.9 now. All right, you'll get it. Maybe just do one more. Bring it up to like 88. What's your name? Silver even better? Where is silver? I took the silver down because I got to tell you, I'm sick what they did to it. Oh my God, silver. 68 in silver? Oof.
Where's silver at?
68. I was buying this here. On the 50, on the 56, 57. I want to see you again. Do, 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 do. Bitcoin hit 75,000. You know, Papa Trump, he's killing it. I wouldn't give up on this day trader. And then I think gold is going to get cabooshed. What's your average here? I'd sell maybe a couple more up here. Bring your average up to like 89. That's all I got. How many can you do? All right, let's just see if this thing drops. All right. Bitcoin's going with gold's going with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going with gold. Yep, gold kaboom. Live Capital. Yeah, I remember you doing that.
All right.
All right.
You ready?
You ready?
Yep.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
How many?
Just give me some numbers.
Give me some numbers.
Number 88.
88 is Ragov Tandon. I can't pronounce that shit.
I don't know. Make sure you have a bid out there, Danny, day trader. Is he here?
Yes, he's here. Next.
Number 218.
218. 126. What's up with these names?
I don't know. What does that mean, sell to sell? 88.6. What a cabooshin on this. Oh, yeah. Bitcoin should drop. Gold, look at the NASDAQ. Cabooshed. Is he here? I want to see you
All
again.
right. That's that was here. Next.
Is he here?
Yep, next.
Number 227.
LL, it's LL. Didn't he not win? But he did win the other day.
There you go. Cover. Here you go on the gold. I'd be covering here. Let's go. You should be flat on the gold. Oh my God. What a caboose.
Well, congratulations, LL.
Did he win? He won this week.
Yep. All right, one more.
Next. Number 16.
Tau S1G5.
Oh, he's always here. I always see him.
Right. Hi, Sydney. Up here. All right, back to you.
Thank you, sir. Oh my God, look at this gold. Look at this gold. I told you, day trader, it's going to get cabooshed. Who shorted the gold? Just dropped $9. Oh my God. Where's the bear? You should trade the gold too. That's a caboose. Oh my God. 83. $45. Where? Where'd you get out? Go touch 4,600? No, it didn't. Did it?
Oh, yeah.
Just now?
46.4.
Holy mackerel. I didn't see that print. You're very welcome. Oh my God, what an absolute caboose. So the 10 bar, the price was above the 10 bar by 18, which means the algorithm's going to touch first before it touches the 10 bar. This is unbelievable. What 34 to 35 points? What are you talking about? Top tier, what's getting gold? How do you get, can somebody, what were they thinking? Who cares? It's down $20. Day trader, you got to go wide. You got to be, if you're going to trade, you got to trade 3-4 entries. Come on, Baba. What is your name? You were fading gold. Listen, I love you to death, Captain Price, but you were fading gold at 72 and 73. Okay? I said, no way in hell. Right? You could take a scalp long on the gold if it gets down to the 74 to 81 range. How are you scaling in? Every $2.50 or $3? Right? Day trader, how are you scaling in? If you only have with 10 contracts, then you got to go like 1-1-4-4, and you got to go maybe go every 2.5, 3 then, you know? That's what I'm talking about. Get in there. All right. S&P long. S&P looks like death. What's the matter? How much you up?
$30.
On the new account or the big one?
No. I'm not sure. Well, one of the prop ones.
There goes the NASDAQ. That's right. You need to learn, right? You need to learn. So one day when I'm not doing this anymore, you guys can figure this out on your own.
So it was from 580 to 570 on gold.
What?
Scalp.
No, I took a long.
Yeah.
I said 74.5 to 81.5.
Okay.
It just traded down to 18.75. You got to buy it. It's going to turn up here. When you see a positive okay, so number one, okay, when you see gold, okay, let me just teach you this, okay? All right, so the 30-minute time frame on here, the 30-minute time frame on the here, look at the big screen, please. You saw the 30-minute time frame, the 15s, yeah, I'll put the 30 here and then the 15 here, right? You can see the push down in the positive trend in the buy disconnect on the 30 and 60. So I took the oversold condition in the buy disconnect, right? Now, when gold pushed up here the first time and then it dropped down to 81, I said cover shorts. When it pushed up again, okay, I said to short it. Now, when you're pushing up here again, did the MACD make a new high?
No.
Okay. Did the price go into a negative MACD?
Well, it's still a negative MACD.
The answer is yes.
Yes.
Okay. Go to 30-minute. Okay. Yeah. Did the price make a new high into a negative MACD?
Yes, it did.
Okay. Did the indicator 3 get overbought into a negative MACD?
Yes.
Okay. Go to 60-minute time frame. Okay. Here's a 60. Did the price make a new high and the MACD didn't confirm a negative MACD?
Correct.
You had 4 negative divergences. Price made new highs. MACDs on the 15, 30, and 60 did not confirm. Right?
Yes.
Fourth, you got overbought on the 15 into a negative MACD. That's why it wasn't not even a problem. The guy who bought 4600s, he just jumped. Okay? All right, if you're long the gold down there, 81.5, you should be kicking out longs. These fives are going to turn up between 85 and 90. You see the positive MACDs here? Okay. You see the positive MACDs here? Oversold. That's why I call the range. Here, look behind you. Right? This is a double blue. The 5 correlating with the 30 and the 60-minute time frame, right?
Right.
So after you get the pullback, look at the positive MACD. You're getting oversold into this positive MACD. Look at the 30-minute time frame right here, still turning up. That's why I called that long. It just ran $7, $8. Okay, day trader, you should have bought that. Okay, Bitcoin kaboom. Yeah, Papa Trump told the whole world to buy it. Okay, you can't deny the MACDs. If you know how to, I taught this in the. Oh my God, Stephen. What the heck? Who's short Bitcoin? What lunatic short? Yes, it's always off the 5, catnip, cat sniffer. Bear trader, can you make me up something with the bear sleeping with Bitcoin rallying? Bear trader? I don't know, bear trader is there. All right, NASDAQ's making new highs here. Oh my God, look at the gold. No, we're not sure. Okay, DJ, day trader, are you not long the gold on that pullback? Are you crazy? I left it up there for you. If the NASDAQ gets up to 68 up to 08, 68 up to 08, I'd short it. Ravlin, get in there. Ravlin, what are you, 19 for 19 tonight? Here we go. I want to see you again. Do. What's your name? Cover the NASDAQ anywhere between the 51 and 61 if you're short. Get in there, Ravlin. God bless you. Oh my God, look at that NASDAQ. You get short 68?
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you want to also, I'm just saying, you got $4,500 account. Maybe you go 3, 6, 12, right? Instead of doing 1, 1, 4, 4.
I'm starting to do 2.
Okay. See? Look at that. I called the top tick practically on the NASDAQ. The high was 70. Okay? Get in there. Who's short the NASDAQ? Did you know that what? Moderna's founder and chairman are Armenian? No, I did not know that. Thank you. Anybody know where Coinbase is trading? I'm long up the wazoo. Anybody know where Coinbase is trading? Fabio? Anybody know where Coinbase is? Oh, bet if you're going to send me the picture of the NASDAQ, put the right price, 75 down. Don't put 108. Come on. Put the right price. Nobody believes 108. Send me the right price on the NASDAQ. I'm going to delete this one, but I like it. Oil cabooshed. I need more screens. Mikey Jacques, you got that short, Mikey Jacques? Oh my God, what a drop on the NASDAQ. My God, what a drop. What a drop on the NASDAQ. 30. That's why you keep it running, right? Keep lowering it. You're still short?
No, no.
Okay. Who got short the NASDAQ? Anybody welcome bank? NASDAQ levels? What? What do you mean NASDAQ levels? So I called the short up there. It's down 40 points. Whatever you're on, send me a case. What the heck?
So I go to 320 even.
Oh my God, what a drop. Andy Willis, great job. S&Ps are just moving like 3 points. I should be calling more S&P on the. That was a nice double red short on the S&P though. Diego, you there? So here, if you look at the S&P futures, this is a great double red. Aaron, we got any more tonight or that's it? Look at this. 68, boom.
No,
There it
we,
is.
we reached the 7 max, guys.
Okay. All right. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my personal cell phone number. My number is 914-500-7484. When by Boeing? No idea. So this was a great short here on the S&Ps. They just dropped. Diego, you get that short? Double red right here. 5 correlating with the 1530 and 60. Right here. I want to see you again. When happened Vegas? October 24th and 25th. I'm pretty sure. This gold's going to go right back up again. I hope anybody bought the gold up 6 in this now. Thank you for the stream. Have a good night. Okay, again, anybody, please watch my podcast every Monday through Friday on my SK Trading YouTube. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Mark B, Jeff, good night. Ravlin. If you invested $10,000 on Beyond Meat 7 years ago, you're left with $20. There you go.
For all the reverse splits.
No, for stock going to zero.
Did they go to zero?
It's down to like $4 a share. Bryce, have a good night. Jay Sullivan, have a good night. Linda NQ, get in there. Corp Trades, I think they're bankrupt, right?
Didn't they had a lawsuit for some kind of false information sometime last year, September, November?
I don't remember. Stock was $127 a share. All I kept on doing was short it. All I kept on doing was just short it. 128, short it. Boom. 127, short it. Right? Bearded Warrior, hope to see you here soon one day. Theo, God bless you. Enjoy enjoy this. What do you call it? I can't even talk. All right, 10 o'clock. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Matt Leach. I want to thank Aaron, of course. And I want to thank all of you for being here. It was a great week. I'll see you Monday. All right. Have a great day tomorrow. Remember, options expiration. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.